Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Gajanand and you are watching Tech Rudransi. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to center a div horizontally and vertically in CSS, right? So this is pretty easy and very useful. Let me show you a quick demo and then we will write a code. A few lines of code and you can do a magic here, right? So here is a content. You can see this works with any content, right? So when I resize, you can see this is a content. It's always be a center, right, horizontally and vertically. So pretty easy to do it, right? So let's write a code and understand this functionality. Very easy, and I'll teach you in a simple way, right? So this is my plain blank empty HTML file, right? And here I will make a div and I'll make center. So this is a div, and let's make a ID and maybe a class. So let's class and make it a class is center div. You can give any name, and inside is some text text here. Control S for save. And when we run this application, right, localhost and php app, so you can see let me zoom in so you can see clearly. This is text, but this time it's not like this one, right? Let me zoom out. Yeah, so this text we will make a vertically and horizontally. Center means here, right? So we will write a CSS, a simple CSS. I'm using an internal CSS here. Div style, and style should be close, right? So this is a selector, which is class selector. Let's put it here, but this is a class, so you have to put it dot, right? If you are new in a CSS, just if this is a class, make it a dot, and if this is ID, you can make it a has, but this is a class, so let's put it dot and make it a position absolute, and left is 50% and top is 50%. Control S for say, and let's refresh how our content looks like here, right? But when we resize, it's still be there, but let's make it more complex, more flexible using a transform, right? So I'm using for Chrome, I'm using a WebKit and transform, and just put it translate 50% off, minus 50%, and y position is also, let's make it a comma, and y position is also 50%, but this one also a minus, right? And semicolon. Control S for save, and when you refresh, this will be 100% vertically and horizontally center, right? When we remove this property and save, you can see it's not a 100% center, but when we Control Z, and this transform translate property will make a 100% center, right? And this is just for Chrome, and this is transform translate 50%, minus 50%, and minus 50%. This is for all browser, right? Control S for save and refresh. So guys, as you can see, this was a very simple tutorial and very small tutorial, right, to make a center div content, right? So this is very useful. If you like, please let me know what you think about this, and if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know. And if you have any questions and doubt, you can write a comment. I'm here to help you, right? So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.